Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. I am sitting here lounging on one of our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDXs. Super excited about this boat and super excited to walk you guys through it. So I guess starting back here on our swim platform, we got this really nice chase loungers here on our port and starboard side. Just makes lounging out in the sun that much more enjoyable. Here on our swim platform, you do have a flip down swim step. So this will sit about a foot beneath the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really simple, whether you got young kids with you or your furry little friends. Just makes getting on and off the boat that much easier. Walking through to our cockpit here, you do have subfloor storage throughout. Really nice L-shaped seating throughout this entire boat with really luxurious diamond stitching. Here on our starboard side, we will have a Kenyan grill, as well as a refrigerator and a sink. Moving forward to our helm station here, we have a massive 12-inch Simrad multifunction display. So that's going to display everything from your mercury controls, your fuel consumption, speed, RPMs, things like that, as well as your chart plotter and your depth finder. Right here, you're going to have your mercury digital throttle and shift, as well as your upgraded Fusion audio system. Really nice part about this cockpit on the 290 is you have on your port and starboard side, your captain and your co-captain's chairs are actually adjustable, so you can flip them forward as well as aft. So when you get to the cove or you're anchored up for the day, you can actually flip this seat forward as well as your co-captain's chair, really expanding your entertainment space here in the cockpit. Here on our port side, we will have our built-in head compartment. And then moving forward into the bow, with the SDX series, the front end is actually opened up a little bit. So really expansive space here, really nice U-shaped seating here in the bow. And of course, you have your windlass anchor up front. There's a ton more to show you on this boat. If you're interested and you'd like to learn more about it, come visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina or visit us on our website at marinemax.com.